Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sorento headlight, full guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery and raising the hood, then locate the headlight mounting points and trace the wiring harness to the connector. Keep fasteners organized and take photos as you remove trim pieces. Safety is important, so wear gloves and eye protection and avoid forcing clips to prevent damage to plastic panels or electrical connectors. Start by removing the air intake cover and any trim pieces blocking the headlight area, using trim tools to gently pry plastic clips. Unbolt visible 10 mm bolts and set them aside in order, and take photos to record their positions. If a screw or clip resists, check for hidden fasteners before applying extra force to avoid breaking tabs. Work methodically to maintain alignment for smooth reinstallation. After trim removal, reach behind the headlight and unplug the wiring harness by pressing the release tab, then remove any additional retention bolts. Gently wiggle the headlight assembly free from its mounts and ease it out toward the front, watching for snagged wiring. Inspect the harness for corrosion and test bulbs if reusing them. Place the old assembly aside and compare mounting points with the new unit before starting installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.